Listen up, because what I'm about to tell you might be the simplest, most powerful upgrade you can make to your brain, and I promise you, you're already capable of it right now. No gym, no protein shake, no 5 a.m. ice bath, just 30 minutes of walking every single morning. That's it. That's the cheat code. But here's what blows my mind. Most people have absolutely no idea what is happening inside their brain the moment they start moving. We're talking real, measurable, science-backed changes, the kind that make you sharper, happier, more focused, and more resilient to stress. So today, we're going deep, step by step, neuron by neuron. Let's go! I'm Dr. N. Williams. On this channel, we don't do fluff. We take the science of human performance and we turn it into fuel. Fuel you can actually use to show up better every single day. And if you're new here, welcome to the team. Hit subscribe, because what we're doing here, this is the stuff that changes lives. All right, morning walk. 6 reasons your brain is absolutely loving it. Let's break it down. The second your alarm goes off, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. This is your natural wake-up signal, your body's way of saying get up and move. But here's the problem. Most of us roll over, grab our phones, and sit there for an hour, drowning in emails and doom scrolling. And that cortisol, it just sits there, unused, unresolved. And chronic elevated cortisol is linked to brain fog, anxiety, and tanked memory. But the moment you step outside and start walking, you give cortisol exactly what it was designed for. You burn it clean. You feel that shift, the mental clearing, almost immediately. That's not motivation, that's biology doing its job. Okay, this is the one that gets me fired up every single time. It's called BDNF, Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor. Neuroscientists literally nicknamed it Miracle Grow for the brain, and that name is earned. BDNF is a protein that promotes the growth of brand new neurons and strengthens the connections between the ones you already have. Your hippocampus, that's your memory and learning hub, goes absolutely wild for this stuff. And aerobic exercise, including brisk walking, is one of the most powerful triggers for BDNF production we know of. A University of British Columbia study found that regular aerobic exercise increased hippocampal volume by 2% in older adults. In a world where your brain naturally shrinks with age, that is massive. That is you literally growing a better brain one morning walk at a time. Here's something most people don't realize. When you wake up, your prefrontal cortex, that's the part of your brain that handles focus, decision-making, willpower, and planning, is not fully online yet. Walking accelerates its activation. The increased blood flow, the elevated heart rate, the rhythm of your footsteps, it's like hitting the start button on your brain's operating system. Darwin walked 4.5 miles every morning. Steve Jobs had walking meetings. Beethoven walked every afternoon before composing. These people weren't just getting steps in, they were priming their most powerful cognitive engine. You want to make better decisions today? Walk before you make them. Here's the paradox that I love. While your prefrontal cortex is powering up, walking also activates your default mode network, your brain's creative daydream system. This is where your big ideas live. This is where your brain makes unexpected connections, solves problems you've been stuck on, and generates insight. And walking, especially outdoors, hits that perfect sweet spot between alert and relaxed, where creativity absolutely explodes. Stanford researchers proved it. Creative output jumped by 81% while walking compared to sitting. 81%. Let that land for a second. So next time you're stuck on a problem, don't sit there grinding. Get up, get out, walk. The answer is waiting for you out there. Let's talk about how you feel, because this is where walking becomes your secret weapon against bad days before they even start. Within 20 to 30 minutes of walking, your brain floods with serotonin, endorphins, and endocannabinoids, your body's own feel-good chemicals. Yes, your brain literally makes its own version of the compounds found in cannabis, and walking turns on that tap. Research published in JAMA Psychiatry showed that just 1.25 hours of brisk walking per week, that's barely 10 minutes a day, was linked to an 18% lower risk of depression. You're doing 30 minutes a day. Do the math on that protection. And because you're doing it in the morning, you're not reacting to the world from a place of stress and deficit. You're stepping into your day from a place of power. That's a completely different game. One walk is powerful, but daily walking, that's where the transformation happens. After 8 to 12 weeks of consistent morning walking, studies show measurable structural changes in your brain. More gray matter in the prefrontal cortex, stronger white matter connections between brain regions, and a more regulated amygdala, meaning you literally become calmer under pressure. Stress hits different when your brain has been trained to handle it. You sleep better, which means your brain's waste clearance system, called the glymphatic system, works more efficiently overnight, flushing out toxic proteins linked to cognitive decline and Alzheimer's. This isn't just fitness. This is brain maintenance. This is longevity. This is the compound interest of taking care of yourself, and it costs you nothing but 30 minutes and a pair of shoes. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. You already know that moving your body is good for you. You've known that your whole life. The gap isn't knowledge. The gap is the decision to actually do it. Every single morning, even when it's cold, even when you're tired, even when Netflix was on until midnight. Because on the other side of that decision is a sharper brain, a calmer mind, more energy, more creativity, and a version of you that is genuinely harder to rattle. So here's your challenge. 14 days, 30 minutes, every morning. That's it. Screenshot this, set your alarm, go to bed earlier tonight if you have to. And when you feel the difference, come back and tell me. Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this fired you up, share it with someone who needs that push. Hit subscribe for more of this, and I'll see you tomorrow, ideally on a walk. Let's go.